This is a roll of Melanmer waterproof peel and stick wallpaper contact paper I bought from my bathroom built-in shelving, and I'm super impressed. It's much thicker than others I've used, which means it's easier to install, but not super easy. So let's take a closer look and check out how to use it. It's a nice thickness, and it does have the gridding on the back to help you with measuring and getting straight lines. Peel back the top, just the top. It's a really nice thickness and like texture. It's really easy to work with, and then when you get to the corners and stuff, something like a putty knife can really help to get right in there and make a clean line. It's gorgeous from afar. When you get up close, you can see a lot of imperfections because I just did a terrible installation. My recommendation is don't go too wide for a big piece like this because it went past both sides and it was just really hard to get that flat. The sides were easy to get flat because they were so narrow. So for a big wide piece, I would not go past a corner. Like, that's my big advice. But overall, so much better than peel and stick contact paper I've used before. Much less wrinkly, and it just gorgeous. The little like shelf rods, you can kind of feel for the hole, and just pokes right through. Super easy.